Another one that you could do for any season items from Dollar Tree. So they have these little carrots. They had these around springtime, and they come with a little twine too, so you can hang them. But you can do a lot of things with these carrots. You can make like butterflies. You can do like some fun little things with these. But we're just going to use them to make magnets. So if you want to make like magnets for the holidays, for your refrigerator, things like that. You can grab whatever shape that they have for the season, and you can make your own custom magnets. So I'm just going to take it, I'm going to paint them orange. I'm just giving it one coat, and I'm just painting on the front side, and then at the top part I'm going to paint that green. And then once that dries, I'm gonna paint all of them. Once that dries, then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna take some acrylic pens, and I'm gonna draw some on there. But you could just take a fine tip paintbrush and you can do this. You can also paint these different colors if you wanted to, so you can have like a variety of different colors and stuff. But I'm just gonna do them all the same color and then make different prints on each one. So that's the way that they're gonna be different. So I'm gonna do dots. I'm gonna do stripes, and like I said, you can do this with a fine tip brush and just some acrylic paint, and you can do this same thing. You can also, if you have like a Cricut or something, you can cut out some nice shapes and make something fun with these too. Then I'm going to take some magnets. You can get these like in the office section. They do have different shapes, like sizes, some smaller than this, but these are the ones that they had at my Dollar Tree at the time. So I'm going to take and glue those on the back, and then I'm also going to take just a little bit of twine from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to just wrap it around. Not that it's not okay where the paint's connected, but just to give it just an extra little detail. You can also add some like cute little faux greenery or something there too if you want to add like a different little touch to it, just something fun. You could put names on this like around Christmas time or something, but these are just so fun and easy, and it's just a few items from Dollar Tree.